Hello to all my dear friends, we are with you from the Wonder of War channel and we are happy to accompany you in this video today. We have made this video about the history of Iran's drone industry, and we hope you enjoy watching it. Before starting, if you are visiting our channel for the first time, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell to get notified of our latest videos. Now join us without delay and watch the video together. Iran has been investing heavily in drone technology in recent years, and has made significant strides in developing its own drone capabilities. In this article, we will explore the history of Iran's drone program, its current drone capabilities, and the implications of its drone power for regional and international security. History of Iran's drone program. The history of Iranian drones dates back to the 1980s during the Iran-Iraq War, where Iran used drones primarily for reconnaissance and surveillance purposes. These early drones were often purchased from foreign countries such as Israel or the Soviet Union. However, it wasn't until the early 2000s that Iran began to invest in developing its own drone technology. In 2004, it unveiled its first indigenous drone, the Mohajer-1, which was a small, unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) that could carry out surveillance and reconnaissance missions. The Mohajer-1 was the first step in a concerted effort by Iran to develop its own drone technology. In the years that followed, Iran continued to invest in developing its drone capabilities, with a particular focus on creating armed drones. In 2010, it unveiled the Karrar drone, which it claimed was capable of carrying out both reconnaissance and bombing missions. The Karrar drone was a significant step forward for Iran's drone program, as it was the first drone that Iran claimed was capable of carrying out both surveillance and strike missions. In 2012, Iran announced the creation of a new drone unit within the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps (IRGC), the aerospace force of the IRGC. The aerospace force is responsible for developing and operating Iran's drone fleet, and it has since become a key player in Iran's military strategy. Since the creation of the aerospace force, Iran has continued to develop its drone capabilities. It has introduced a range of new drones, including the Shahed 129, which is a large, armed drone that is capable of carrying out both surveillance and strike missions. The Shahed 129 has a range of up to 2,000 kilometers and can stay aloft for up to 24 hours. Overall, Iran's investment in drone technology has led to significant advances in its drone capabilities. While it still relies on foreign suppliers for some of its drone technology, it has made significant strides in developing its own indigenous drone technology. This has enabled Iran to become a major player in the drone arena, with the ability to operate its drones beyond its borders and project power and influence in neighboring countries. Current drone capabilities. Iran's current drone capabilities are significant. It has a diverse fleet of drones, ranging from small surveillance drones to large armed drones. It has also demonstrated the ability to operate its drones beyond its borders, as evidenced by its use of drones in Syria and Iraq. One of Iran's most impressive drones is the Shahed 129, which is a large, armed drone that is capable of carrying out both surveillance and strike missions. It has a range of up to 2,000 kilometers and can stay aloft for up to 24 hours. Another notable drone is the Ababil-T, which is a loitering munition that can be launched from a ground-based launcher or from a helicopter. It is capable of carrying a warhead weighing up to 45 kilograms and has a range of up to 150 kilometers. Implications for regional and international security. Iran's drone capabilities have significant implications for regional and international security. Its ability to operate its drones beyond its borders means that it can project power and influence in neighboring countries, such as Iraq, Syria, and Yemen. It has used its drones to carry out surveillance and strike missions in these countries, often in support of its proxies and allies. In addition, Iran's drone capabilities pose a significant threat to the United States and its allies in the region. Iran has the ability to strike U.S. military assets and infrastructure in the region using its drones, which could have serious consequences for regional stability and U.S. national security interests. In conclusion, Iran's investment in drone technology has led to significant advances in its drone capabilities. It now has a diverse fleet of drones that it can use for both surveillance and strike missions, and it has demonstrated the ability to operate its drones beyond its borders. The implications of Iran's drone power for regional and international security are significant, and it is likely to continue to be a major player in the drone arena in the years to come. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this video was useful and interesting for you. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe to our channel to get our latest videos. Also, if this video was useful to you, share it with your friends and acquaintances. Your comments and opinions are very valuable to us, so share your thoughts and suggestions with us in the comments section. Thank you for your attention. We hope to see you in the next videos.